This winter just won't quit. But that's fine. I will not either. Sticking with the no pot up February, we filled up 6 packs here with all-purpose potting mix. We're gonna let this soak in some hot water. It's just easier for the mix to absorb. And we'll let it cool down before we plant our seeds. We're trying something new this year. We're gonna use all-purpose mix for half the 6 packs and seed starting mix for the top part. Then that way the seeds will have an easier time growing down into the seed starting mix, and then we won't have to pot up because we already have the all-purpose mix halfway down, which will save us time when everything else needs to be potted up. Now we'll let this soak. We're going to press these in using the same kind of tray. We have moistened seed starting mix that we're going to take a little bit, sprinkle it on. Now we have the moistened mix on there. We'll press that in to give good seed contact and the area for the seeds to lay on. And now we'll be ready to get our seeds going. We're going to start some calendula seeds. They look like that. And with these cold temperatures, messing with our seed starting. Good thing we started a bunch of seeds early, so we're going to have to also reseed some things. And we'll cover these up with some vermiculite. And we'll check back on these in about a week. I'm gonna reseed my oregano here. Don't really see much coming up. All right, we'll see what we get with that. Subscribe and good things will come your way.